Circulation is needed for effective exchange between the external environment and the cells. This is basically the perfusion side of the ventilation-perfusion exchange systems that we discussed in the previous course, Animal Physiology 1. There, we focused mostly on the ventilation side of these exchange systems. On the perfusion side, you have circulatory systems, which is the topic for this course. You need several elements to have a circulatory system. You need a pump, you need some kind of distribution network, and you need some device to facilitate exchange between the blood and the cells on the one hand, and on the other between the blood and external environment. You not only need these elements, but these elements have to work together effectively. And our task is to understand how animals pull this off. Fortunately, physics is on our side. The energetics of flow in tubes, which basically describes what happens in blood vessels, is well worked out and well known. The energetics of flow through tubes assembled into distribution networks is also well known, and we'll delve into that as well. Along the way, we're going to have to confront and resolve an interesting paradox. Circulatory systems can pump fluids efficiently, that is, move lots of fluid at little cost of energy. Circulatory systems can distribute materials effectively, that is, deliver materials to all potential consumers of those materials. But the design principles that optimize one function run counter to the design principles that optimize the other. We'll see why the contradiction exists. Fortunately, there's a design principle that resolves the contradiction optimally called Murray's Law. Murray's Law has a very interesting history, which we'll explore in some detail, in part because it's such a beautiful story, and in part because it gives us a unique insight into how evolution and physiology are melded. As you watch this lesson, I want you to keep 4 things in mind. What are the physical constraints on pumping fluids throughout the body? What are the physical constraints for distributing materials throughout the body? How can the conflicts between efficient pumping and effective distribution be resolved? And finally, just what is being optimized in Murray's Law?